Here I've got Huawei P40 Lite, and let me show you how to move shortcuts, how to move icons on the following device. So if you would like to personalize your screen, if you would like to clean it up a bit, you can smoothly pick some particular icon. For example, video shortcut, just hold it for a while and now you can move it. So let me move it here. Then if you would like to, for example, customize this screen and put everything down, just hold for a while each of the icon and then slide it down to the place that you would like to set it. Okay, so let me hold it and then move it over here. It doesn't have to be set up in some order, so you can do whatever you want to. Any kind of shape is allowed. Just like this. So this is it. So you can customize your display, how you can move the shortcuts, the icons. It's H for hard reset, for example, and let me leave it this way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.